Hello and welcome back to Pray, Plan, and Repeat. I am Chanel. Thank you so much for coming. Alright, so this is my little grocery haul that I did for like the next 2 weeks. And me and my fam, or a family of 5. And I decided to challenge myself, okay? Decided to challenge myself with spending only $100 for 2 weeks on groceries. Mind you, we just got out of a no-spend January, where for the entire month of January, I ate what was already in my refrigerator freezer combo and my deep freezer. And now I'm grocery shopping for the first 2 weeks of February, and I'm challenging myself with $100 for both weeks for a family of 5. So here is my receipt. I shopped at Aldi's. And I spent $88.53. So I still have just under $11.50 left to spend for the next 2 weeks. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you what I picked up. So I picked up 2 loaves of bread right back there. I picked up a bag of flour because I'm going to make some chocolate chip cookies. I picked up some crackers right here. I wanted to try these. These are the double chocolate muffins. So I wanted to see if the boys like those, because I always make them blueberry muffins because they eat breakfast right before they go to school. So I got another box of muffins. I got me some thin wheat crackers because I like these as a snack. I got me some hamburger buns because I still have a couple hamburgers in the freezer and I needed some more buns. I got a thing of tortillas because I'm going to make some homemade bean and cheese burritos that will last us a while. I got my chocolate chips because I couldn't remember if I probably didn't need the chocolate chips. I got chocolate chips, so I got another bag of chocolate chips. I'll probably use this for like in the boys' snack. I got some baking soda. By the way, I hope the lighting's okay. I got a bag of walnuts. I like walnuts in my chocolate chip cookies and in my brownies. I got some raisins for the boys for part of their snack. My husband likes these, and I saw these at Aldi's, so I picked them up. So yeah, I got him those. I got a big thing of old-fashioned oats. So you guys, this oatmeal, right? It's taken me forever to get the boys to eat oatmeal, and now they eat it. But they don't eat it just by themselves. I actually have to cook it at night and put it in individual containers, especially if I go into work early, like at 5:30, 5:15 in the morning. So I make their oatmeal the night before. I put it in little bowls. So all they gotta do is pull it out the refrigerator and warm it up. And all 3 of them eat oatmeal now. And I even make my husband his, and I take mine to go with me to work. So I got some guacamole. These are the little individual cups here that they sell at Aldi's. And this is a new brand. I haven't seen this brand before, but it should be just fine, right? It's guacamole. So got some guacamole. I got 2 of these steamer bags of broccoli. 2 of these, and these are gonna go with mine and hubby's meal prep. I did not go to Smart and Final like I normally do, so I just grabbed a bag of pork sausage patties for breakfast. I grabbed some turkey lunch meat. So that's going to go in combination with the boys' snacks. I'm going to make like little Lunchables for them, so that's what that's for. Back over here, I got some of these peanut butter crackers. I just got one of those because I do have some still left. I got me a can of diced tomatoes because I'm going to make myself my, what is it called? My cabbage soup. So that's what I'm going to be making myself. I got this big thing here of chicken breast, skinless, boneless chicken breast. I also got, a pound of mozzarella cheese. What are you here? Okay, I got some orange juice here. And this is no pulp. We don't drink orange juice with pulp in it. We just don't. And then back Move that out the way. Back here. I love these shrimp and crab raviolis. So I got a bag of those. And I also got the chicken and cheese raviolis because I make baked raviolis. So the boys usually eat the chicken and cheese one. And me and hubby eat the shrimp and crab one. Then I got some cranberries for salad and for our little healthy snacks. I got a bag of pretzels. I got 2 bags of these hickory barbecue chips. 2 of them. And if you guys never had chips from Aldi's, the chips are good, okay? No complaints. I got a half a gallon of milk right here. And I got a bag of celery so I can make myself tuna salad. I've heard a lot about these Meyer lemons. So I wanted to try them out. So I got this bag. I got 2 bags of baby carrots because I usually use 1 bag to bake whenever I do roasted or baked veggies. And then another bag, the boys usually just eat the carrots right out the bag. Then I picked up 2 of these beef sausages because I'm going to make sausage and veggies as one of our meal preps. And I've been really wanting some hash browns. I'm not sure why. So I got some hash browns. So that is everything I got from Aldi's, you guys. All that right there. And yeah, I only got like 1, 2, 3 meat components here, and the rest were like not all meat. But this will last us for 2 weeks. And I'm going to, I guess I'll do like a cook with me. Well, I'll show you guys the different things I make with all this chicken. That's a lot of chicken. I'm saying it's a lot of chicken, but for some people it might not be a lot of chicken. But that's it. That's my grocery haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Okay, bye.